Built-in 2 flame lights. This 8FT Halloween inflatable ghost features a flame light at the bottom that illuminates its entire body, while an additional flame light on the back projects a spooky effect. These vibrant lights are sure to attract trick-or-treaters and create a festive atmosphere. Unique Halloween decor. This inflatable is designed with captivating red eyes, bulging spiders, and eerie pumpkins with bloodied hands. The combination of 2 pumpkins with varying expressions at the base adds stability and enhances the ghost's spooky charm. Waterproof and tear-resistant. Crafted from thickened 210T polyester fabric, these large Halloween blow-up decorations are weatherproof and fade-resistant. You won't have to worry about rain or tearing, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Self-inflating in seconds. This outdoor Halloween decoration comes with a blower and a UL adapter for safe use. Simply plug it in, and in just a minute, the powerful blower will fill the inflatable. Just remember to zip it up before inflating. High stability. For added stability, the inflatable includes 2 water bags that can be filled and placed inside. Additionally, it comes with 8 ground stakes, 4 ropes, and a 3 meters power cord, ensuring it stays securely in place on your lawn. Get ready to elevate your Halloween celebrations with the Kesfitt 8FT inflatable ghost, perfect for your patio, garden, or yard.